Gears up, coders! It's time to boost your Python game with an awesome project. This project is perfect for 5th semester students. Imagine creating a system that manages vehicle services effortlessly. Customers can sign up, log in and request vehicle services. They can track their service status in real time, view and download invoices, and even leave feedback. Admins manage service approvals and assign tasks to mechanics. Each role, including mechanics, has a dashboard tailored just for them. Mechanics update the status of repairs, keeping customers in the loop. You'll learn essential CRUD operations: create, read, update, delete, plus get hands-on with database design. It's a real-world project that makes learning fun and practical. Want the source code or more info? Contact us at 7348878215. And don't forget to check out Search Creators for more mini projects perfect for your semester needs. Join our Telegram group to connect and explore even more project opportunities. Happy coding!